Not gonna lie, this is a hard video to make because this is one of my favorite TV shows. So The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel is coming to an end after 5 glorious seasons on Amazon Prime. Now, this show is one of the shows that brought people's attention to Prime Video because it won a lot of awards at the Emmys. So why is this show so good? Why is it so interesting? So this show is set in New York in the 1950s, and it follows a housewife as she transitions from a housewife to a female comic. And you know, we follow her journey of being a female comic in this time period, and we see the trials and tribulations she goes through. They're exciting and they're funny and they're quirky, and this is one of the funniest shows you'll ever watch. Let me know your thoughts down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.